In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to carry out a Salesforce health check with ease. This is an essential task for maintaining the efficiency and security of your Salesforce environment. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's navigate to the home page on your Salesforce account. You'll want to ensure that you're logged in and ready to begin the process. The home page serves as your starting point for various tasks, and today, it acts as our gateway to enhancing the overall health of your Salesforce setup. Once you're on the home page, move your cursor to the top right corner and click on Quick Settings. This shortcut is incredibly handy for making quick changes and accessing advanced settings without delving through various menus. It's designed to streamline your navigation experience and save time for busy professionals like yourself. Next, within the Quick Settings menu, look for the option labeled Open Advanced Setup and click on it. Advanced Setup is your comprehensive control center where you can manage and adjust in-depth administrative settings. This is where you'll find the tools and options necessary for our health check operation. Now, with Advanced Setup open, you should see a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type the word Health. This is a smart way to quickly locate the health check feature among the multitude of options available in Salesforce. Typing precise terms can help you find exactly what you need without unnecessary scrolling. After typing Health, you should see a result titled Health Check appear. Click on this result to access the Health Check feature. This is where we'll conduct our examination of your Salesforce environment, identifying any configurations that might need your attention. As you view the Health Check page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the information presented. This tool evaluates the security settings of your Salesforce organization against Salesforce's recommended standards. By doing so, it identifies potential vulnerabilities in your setup. Performing a health check not only keeps your system secure, but also ensures you comply with best practices, which can lead to improved performance. For optimal results, it's advisable to conduct these health checks on a weekly basis. This regular monitoring will allow you to catch any issues early and make timely adjustments, thereby safeguarding your data and optimizing your system's performance. And there you have it. Conducting a Salesforce health check is a straightforward yet crucial process that keeps your Salesforce environment running smoothly and securely. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips on managing and optimizing your Salesforce experience.